Hey, Bear. All right, so on a bear trail, there's two of us. There's supposed to be three of us. My amygdala is highly activated. I feel like I'm about to die right now. Like, I get it when you stand in the corner, when you're in that moment, you're standing there, bro. 100%. You know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna go a little further. Just a little bit further. This for you, not for me. I'm gonna go home. I swear I just saw something move. Hey, Bill. This is my path. I will pursue it with excellence. I face my fears as my goal demands. I am far too great to be the only thing standing in my way. Hey, Bill. Let's see. Just not me. I've never, I felt like this before. Skills have Hey, Bill! Things have terrified me before. But I'm not out here being stupid. I'm out here just being mindful and being present. People walk this trail every day. So do the bears. Yep. But if I can do this, you know what I mean? There's Duck Lake right there. I think I've reached my point to turn around. But if I can do this, you can throw that skill. I'm still alive, so are you. Let's see. I thought I was gonna turn around. I made it. I made it. This is my path. I will pursue it with excellence. I face my fears because my goals demand it. I am far too great to be the only thing standing in my way. Now let's just hope I don't get hit on the way home. Let's see. I'm alive. I made it. Whew. Just like we talked about in class, the fear in and of itself feels so big. But this reward, the way that I feel, bro, I can't wait to the next mindful. Yo! I can't wait for the next mindful session to talk to you all about this and just kind of share this rewarding feeling that I have. I'll see y'all there. Love you. Let's see.